How to open Spark-based bank account. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. In step number 1, visit the Sparkasse website or branch. You can open an account online through this website or visit a local branch in Germany. Now choose the right account type. It offers various accounts such as current accounts, such as for daily transaction or saving accounts. Pick the one that best suits your need. Prepare your document for European resident passport or national identity card. For non-European resident, visa or residence permit. Proof of address, utility bill, renter contract or registration certificate, and proof of income. If opening online, you will complete a video identification or post process. If at a branch, our Sparkasse representative will verify your documents in person. Once approved, you will get your IBAN account details and online banking access. Your debit card will arrive by mail within a few days. Download the Sparkasse app, activate online banking, and start managing your transactions, checking your balance, and making payments easily. And that's it, you have successfully opened a bank account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.